I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And as usual, we don come with breaking news. We get updates wey I wan share give the general public, and the cocoa be say the civil society coalition for inside Edo State don condemn the act of violence by youths wey dey claim to represent the interest of the Benin ethnic group after one recent protest like that wey happen for the Benin Owena River Basin Development Authority. The group now don dey call on the Edo State Commissioner of Police wey be Betty Otimeyin say make im act swiftly make she act sharply, and make she try make she make sure say those men now wey dey responsible for the katakata are held responsible, so that no other ethnic shenanigans, no other palava, no other protest or no other katakata go happen again. Then for inside one press briefing like that wey happen for inside Benin City, Edo State, the coordinator of the civil society coalition wey be King David, he na come dey urge the police commissioner make him take immediate action to ensure adequate security for the BORDA, that is Benin Owena River Basin Development Authority, and make dem prevent further disturbances, because normally it will be everybody wey like katakata, and anything wey dey lead to argument, wey dey lead to fight, na katakata na e be. And still on the matter, Oga King David, based on say he na senior man, based on say he na correct person wey im mind dey for peace and unity, he na come dey express concerns over the ongoing protest dem, particularly those ones wey dey instigated by youth wey dey claim to represent the Benin ethnic nation. He na dey very much worried because those people now wey dey claim to dey protect Benin ethnic nation, na dem dey even dey cause problem. So e good make the police step in. E good na make the police do the needful so that calms go return to Edo State. And the protesters sef dey demand say the position of managing director be given to a Benin indigene as a reward for hosting the agency. But however, my good people, Oga King David dey criticize this demand. He now dey explain say the Benin Owena River Basin Development Authority wey be BORDA normally dey serve 4 states, and that is Edo, Ondo, Ekiti and Delta State. And no be only Benin people suppose to dey act as representatives, based on say other states now don dey involved. They suppose to dey balance the equation, like they suppose to dey shift am small small, so that wayo no go come board. If this state serve small, the other one serve small. Na wetin they dey try do. And he consider yarn, he consider emphasize say the Dr. Femi Adekambi led management should be allowed to resume without delay, and he should be allowed to implement his development plans. Make dem let the management led by Dr. Femi do his thing. Make dem let peace reign. He now dey urge the protesters make dem stop their disruptive actions. Make dem stop all these jaguda movements wey no dey lead to better thing. Make dem allow peace reign. Make dem allow peace prevail for the benefit of Edo State and the people and the neighboring states at large. And e no finish there o. Oga King David consider yarn, he na consider point out say the Edo State don true occupy the position of managing director 5 times since the establishment of the BORDA, and that na more than any other state don represent. So e no true make sense say Edo State still dey fight when they don already represent the BORDA 5 times, more than other states dem. And Oga King David consider let the general public dey know say even those people now wey don hold the position before, they were all Benin descent. That is, they come from Benin City, Edo State. Even the immediate past managing director wey complete an 8-year tenure. Then the group as a whole wey be Benin Owena River Basin Development Authority, that is BORDA, come dey caution against actions wey go jeopardize the location of the authority for inside Edo State, and they consider caution against harming the Edo State industrial process. The coalition now dey call for a peaceful resolution and respect for established protocols, including the Federal Character Commission. So if we touchlight everything now wey King David dey talk, normally Edo State people no suppose to cause violence. E no reach something wey they go come dey do protest or come dey cause fight join, because last na dem even don rule pass. So e go good make dem do the calms, make dem true allow peace reign for inside Edo State. Now anyhow this informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit information, me still get another reality latest wey dey my table wey I still need share give the general public. And the koko be say the correspondent dia chapel of the Nigeria Union of Journalists, the Edo State Council, don last pledge objective reportage of government policies and programs to promote transparency, accountability and good governance. The chapel now dey yarn dis one for inside one statement wey dem issue to congratulate the governor of Edo State wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo on the occasion of his first 100 days in office. And for inside the statement so wey dey jointly endorsed by Patrick Esse wey be the chairman and another countryman wey be Elder Patrick Ahina secretary, the journalists dem come dey yarn say dis administration don last provide purposeful leadership, visionary governance and unwavering commitment to the development of Edo State. Dem dey try talk say dis administration e don do the needful and im dey do the needful dey go. Im dey continue to dey do nice things for the sake of Edo State people and for the sake of Edo State entirely. And for inside the statement dem still dey yarn say the bold step wey dis administration now don take in road rehabilitation and urban renewal projects don significantly improve transportation networks across Edo State and e don still calm down movement for civilians and businesses. The statement come still dey describe the back to farm initiative of dis government as a strategic move towards food security plus job creation and geared to uplift the economy through agriculture. And dem come still dey give Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State accolade. Dem come dey give the man respect, dem come dey thank am very well. Dem say the man inclusive approach to governance and willingness to engage stakeholders in decision making dey reflect the man dedication to ensure that every Edo citizen dey benefit from government policies. And as member of the press, the correspondents dem dia chapel go continue to dey play their professional role in objectively reporting government policies and programs while upholding the highest journalistic standards. And dem stand firm with developmental journalism to promote transparency, accountability and good governance. Dem now dey try to tell Edo State governor say dem plaster the good things wey the Edo State governor dey do. Dem go make sure say dem spread am give the whole world. Dem go make sure say anybody wey get ear hear am and anybody wey get eye see say him wey be Edo State governor, him wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo dey true work for inside Edo State. Now if you ask me about dis matter, my good people, I go tell you say the Edo State Council of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, they don too try. You understand? No be everyday wey you go see journalists dey give praises, dey give accolade to a governor of a state. So in one way or the other, dis na sign to show say the Edo State governor dey true dey work, even though matter dey for tribunal last wey dey challenge his victory as the Edo State governor for the election wey sup for the 21st day of September for inside the year 2024. But that one no mean say the man no go do nice things for inside Edo State. The man dey prove himself to show say yes, him come to help the general public. And if e be say last the tribunal come declare say na him be the rightful governor of Edo State, joy go just full the belle of the All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party. Normally, I know say they go find somewhere where they go hide their face because the banter, the Gbos wey don dey online concerning this tribunal matter e plenty, no be small. Now, this my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria. Feel free make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come for you, my good people, na go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Make dey come your side again with another latest for you. Try make you no go anywhere.